Hello everyone, today I'll show you how easy it is to create videos using AI on the Duitangi platform. I'll explain everything as simply and clearly as possible, so even a complete beginner can follow along. First, let's sign into the website. Click Sign In. You can log in using your email address or Facebook account. After that, you can choose your preferred interface language in the top right corner. The first thing we need to do is generate a script. There are several ways to do this, but I'll show you the easiest one. Go to the storyboard section. Scroll down a little and you'll see a text box where you can describe the video you want to create. Just type your idea in plain English. For example, create a 1-minute Pixar-style animated short about a heroic cat who saves a puppy. Next, choose the style for your video. In this example, I'll select 3D Pixar. Below that, choose the duration of your video. I'll set it to 1 minute. Now select the number of scenes. I recommend keeping each scene under 10 seconds. If you want a faster-paced video, make each scene around 6 seconds long. That means a 1-minute video will have about 10 scenes. Next, choose the language for your video. Select the aspect ratio, either 16:9 or 9:16, and then move on to the AI model. I recommend using one of the newest and most capable models, Claude Opus 4.8. It's versatile and performs very well for almost any type of project. Now choose the output mode. There are several options, but to keep things simple, I'll only explain the 3 main ones. The first option generates a fully animated video. The second combines animated video with image slides. The third creates a slideshow using only images. The highest quality result comes from the fully animated video option, but it's also the most expensive. The slideshow option is the most affordable. I'll choose the first option. Now click Generate Script and wait 1 or 2 minutes. Once it's finished, you'll see all of your scenes listed below. Each scene already includes the characters, an image prompt, and a video prompt. I recommend reviewing every scene carefully. If you want to change anything, click the pencil icon, edit the image or video prompt, and save your changes. When everything looks good, click Continue Production to move to the next step. Now we need to generate our characters. There are 2 ways to do this. The first is by clicking the star button, which automatically generates all of the characters using AI. The second is by clicking the camera icon and uploading your own images. This is useful if you've already prepared character artwork in advance. I don't have any prepared images, so I'll use automatic generation. Once the characters are ready, scroll down and open the advanced settings. Here, you'll choose the AI model for video generation and the AI model for image generation. Notice that the cost for each model is displayed on the right. For video models, pricing is calculated per second of generated video. For example, if you use Grok Video, 1 second typically costs around 350 to 450 credits. A 10-second scene will therefore cost approximately 3,500 to 4,500 credits. There are many different models available, but for most of my projects, I use Grok Video because it delivers excellent results. For image generation, I'll choose Nano Banana 2. Here, the price is shown per generated image. On the right, select the 16:9 aspect ratio and choose the resolution. I'll use 720p. I usually leave music disabled because the system often generates different music for every scene. In the end, I usually remove it anyway and add my own soundtrack during editing, so I recommend adding music later in your editing software. Now disable that option and continue. The next step is generating the first frame for every scene. You can click Generate next to an individual scene, or click Generate First Frames to create images for every scene automatically. I'll generate all of them at once. This usually takes only 1 or 2 minutes. As you can see, all 10 images have been generated successfully. Take a moment to review them and make sure you're happy with the results. Once everything looks good, it's time to animate them. To animate a single scene, click Animate. To animate the entire project, click Animate All. If you don't like one of the generated images, simply click Image to regenerate it. If you want to change the concept itself, click the edit icon and modify the image or video prompt before generating again. If you're satisfied with everything, click Animate All and wait a few minutes. When the animation is finished, review every scene. If any animation doesn't look right, you can regenerate that individual scene without affecting the rest of the project. Once everything is ready, there's only one final step, combining all of the scenes into a finished video. Click Export Final Video. Confirm the action, and wait another minute or 2. That's it! Now you can preview the finished video, download it, publish it to YouTube or Instagram, and even add subtitles if needed. And that's how easy it is to create animated videos, or almost any type of AI-generated video on virtually any topic. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!